Have you ever scrolled through those jaw-dropping home makeover photos and videos, felt inspired, and thought, I want that? Well, hold on, because what I'm about to reveal might just change the way you approach your home renovation dreams. Hey there, I'm Amit Marao, and I'm excited to be your guide on this journey to transforming your home. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of renovation, let me share a little secret with you. One that could save you from making costly mistakes. The biggest mistake is running into a renovation project without understanding the complete process. Yes, you heard it right. You see, while those stunning home makeover photos are enticing, attempting a project without understanding the full process, that's a recipe for disaster. But fear not, that is where I come in. My goal is simple yet powerful: to empower you with the knowledge and skills to confidently take on your renovation projects. In this series, I'll be your mentor, guiding you through each step of the renovation journey. Let me give you a glimpse of what you can expect in this series. Module 1, Conceptual Planning Phase. We'll kick things off by analyzing your space, identifying design potentials, and discovering your unique style. From seeking design inspiration to creating mood boards, we'll lay the groundwork for your dream home. Module 2, Designing Phase. Here, we'll dive into the creative process, sketching out zoning plans and refining them into detailed designs. Whether it's through hand sketches or CAD drafting, we'll explore how to bring your vision to life with construction drawings and 3D visualization. Module 3, Pre-construction and documentation phase. Before breaking ground, we'll cover the crucial steps of obtaining approvals, preparing budgets, and scheduling. From contracting to procurement planning, we'll ensure that you are well prepared for the next phase. Module 4, Execution phase. With a solid plan in place, it's time to bring it to life. We'll navigate through contractor mobilization, coordination, and quality checks, from site inspection to managing contractor bills. We'll keep you on track on every step of the way. Module 5, Project Closure phase. As we near the finish line, we'll conduct final site inspections, settle bills, and wrap up with the comprehensive record keeping. With the project closure phase, you'll have the satisfaction of seeing your vision becoming a reality. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the process, but also have the confidence to tackle your own renovation projects. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful home renovation? Stay tuned for the upcoming modules, where we'll dive deeper into each phase of the renovation process. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more updates. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.